thanks to our teachers for arranging this function for us. Today where we are present in organizing MPTC. So I would like to discuss about the MPTC. Let's start my topic. Today I would like to discuss about MPTC. First of all, I want to tell about MPTC when MPTC opened in this area. It was inaugurated on I think 13 August 2014. That time there are only 5 or 6 students in this coaching, and I think this coaching is opened by MP sir. First time MP sir when opened this coaching, there was only 5th and 6th students in this coaching, but MP sir never give up. He always tried to their best for their students. And today we can see the position of MPTC in our area, in our district. Where is MPTC? If we want to listen about MPTC, then we can ask to anyone. If we want to ask to anyone, then we can find the reply very easily, because I think everyone know about the MPTC. What is the MPTC? Where is the MPTC? It's cause of the dedication and struggle of the teachers of MPTC. As we know that MPTC is one of the best coaching in our area, in our district, and I am very grateful to be here, because I am also the student of MPTC. And let's start about the teachers of MPTC. First of all, I told that the teachers of MPTC not only teachers for their students, they are like God for their students. And every student suppose their teachers as like God, and they follow their teachers as like God. Because of their dedication and struggle towards the students, as we see that always every teachers of MPTC, they always try to do best for their students, and they only think to the best for their students without taking anything return. They don't want anything return with us. They only want to give their best for us. And also the teachers of MPTC, they are always pretend to every student as like a parents and as like friends. This is very best moment for every student, as we know that in our study life, if any teacher pretend to us as like our parents, as like our friend, then we don't hesitate to share our feelings and thoughts with our teachers. And I think this is very best bond between a student and between a teacher. And whereas I know what I want in a good teacher, I find everything in the teachers of MPTC. That's why they pretend to us like a parent. That's why this institute, not only the institute, this is also called the MPTC family. And in this family, they are present parents and children. The parents of this family is Mr. Bhumari sir, Mr. Andy sir, and Mr. Deepak sir. And the children are the students of this MPTC. And let's start about the teachers, about the teachers of MPTC. First of all, I would like to tell about the Mr. Bhumari sir, who is the senior teacher in our MPTC. He is very best teacher, whereas I know he is the specialist of chemistry and also biology. And his teaching skill is also very good. I think everyone know about this because he is been present in MPTC. And when we are talking about his behavior towards the student, then we can see that his behavior is very good towards the student. Because in the class we always see that he teaches us very clearly and with a very enjoyable moment in the class. And I like the behavior of Bhumari sir towards the students. And also when we present in the class, then maximum time I see this Bhumari sir called every student on the blackboard, and he also give us questions to solve the question, and he also give us the opportunity to talk to another student in the same class. It is very best for every student, because we know that first of all when we go in front of any people, then first of all we feel hesitation to explain our ideas and thoughts. And you know it's very difficult task to talk to anyone student. And when we talk to our classmates, then it's become very difficult task for us. But we find this opportunity in the class of Bhumari sir, and after this class we can remove our hesitation, and we be able to remove our hesitation, and we be able to share our feeling and thoughts in front of anyone. And also we see that Bhumari sir as we see that Bhumari sir have also a talent to read the mind of a student. We also know that in the class when sometimes any student becomes sad for some reason, then Bhumari sir, without saying anything, he understands everything about this, about the problem with him, with her, and he also supports us in every situation. A teacher means that a teacher who are not teach us only in the institute. A teacher means that who always stand for us at everywhere. If we do any bad work, if we go in any bad way, then that teacher see us a good way, and that teacher support us. What should we do and what should I do? That are called a teacher, and I see everything what I want in a good teacher. I see in Bhumari. And also when I remember my